What's going on, guys? So today I figured, you know what? I have some tool kits around that a lot of people have asked me about that I've used in the past. So let's get to it. So this is the Pittsburgh Automotive item 62620. It's a bolt type wheel puller set from Harbor Freight. And I want to say it cost me like $39.99 or something. Or actually it might have been on sale. This is what you get. You get your main plate, your drive bolt, your end chucks, so you can push off of whatever. So you got a convex, concave ones. You got a pointed one, a bigger pointed one. Convex is in, concave? No, concave is in. Convex is out. So concave one, and then you just have the plain open end. You have tons of different 8M and different thread pitch and size, and 5/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 1 inch long, 2 inch long, 4 inch long, 3 inch. You know, you got a bunch of different stuff in here. And I'll tell you what, I've used this thing a lot actually. I used it to pull a Harmonic balancer off the 4Runner the other day. I've used it to take the steering wheel off the 4Runner. I've used it to take the steering wheel off the Jeep YJ Renegade. I've used it for quite a few projects actually. I'm sure there's plenty more, you know, just got to get a little inventive with it. But for the price, this kit's held up great. I haven't had no issues with it. Actually, I'll put a link to it down below just to verify the price. It might even be $20 on sale on 30 normal, but it really wasn't a bad price. That's why I picked it up. And I'm pretty cheap when it comes to tools because I usually don't use them a lot. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If this video helped you out and deciding to buy this product, make sure to hit that like button.